Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you are ready, let's go. Let's talk about great setup, clean executions, and smart position management. But sometimes, no matter what you do, things just don't work out the way you expect them to do. If you look at this chart, you can clearly see a great trade location right here. It is a multi-imbalance level combined with a strong support and resistance flip location. Now, as you can see, price rejected these levels twice as a resistance. However, later on, this same area was broken very strongly with a lot of momentum. Normally, I would expect the price to find support in this area after the breakout. And then I would expect it to continue pushing higher from there. So, why do we take this kind of trades in the first place? Because we see this pattern forming again and again and again in all asset classes, and we keep repeating the same pattern over and over to build a statistical edge across probably 100 trades. Sometimes it works out perfectly. Sometimes it fails and doesn't follow through. But in the long run, we are simply trying to gain a small advantage over the large number of trades. Now let's drop down to the 5-minute chart and talk more about the entry location. When I look at this chart, what I see is structure shifts happening on the lower time frames. Also, I see this inner triple equal high sitting there as a clear target. So my natural reaction would be this. With this inner trend and structure shift, we could have at least ridden the price move up toward those triple equal highs above. What we are trying to do here is build a tight and clean setup around that idea. And this is the right mindset to have when we are approaching this type of trades. As you can see, we almost reached a 1.5R gain, which means a solid profit on the trade. But the asset simply did not have enough strength or momentum to fully complete the move up to those triple equal highs. What you are seeing here is basically an inner power of 3 or PO3 playing out. You have your target clearly defined and you have your internal structure shift. So altogether, this is just accumulation phase, manipulation phase, and the expansion phase of the PO3 model. In this specific example, it did not fully play out, and setup ended up failing. But that does not mean you were right or wrong as a trader. It simply means that this time, the setup just didn't work. In your trading journey, no matter what strategy you decided to use, this will keep happening. It doesn't matter if you trade trends, RSI, pure price action, or smart money concepts, or just order blocks. Your strategy will fail time to time and nothing can stop it. You have to be mentally prepared for failing setups because you are going to lose trades. That is just a harsh reality and the nature of trading. Okay friends, I hope that this video was educational enough. Take care of yourself for now and see you next time. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free trading view indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.